but there has been like 20 billion sirens. But here they go.
They're turning on the street over here.
Oh yeah? Wait, where are they going?
There's somebody.
Yeah. Yep, they have it blocked off down there. Right here.
Here comes a helicopter.
Oh, yep.
Do you remember that other, were you here living in the apartments already when they had the apartment?
Yep, when they had it locked off.
Again? What if
yes.
Again? Wasn't he
he escaped from prison.
Or he was out on bail?
Here comes
Isn't he a murderer?
I don't know. Yeah, the police officer are going to leave because here comes in the helicopter.
They're looking for somebody.
Let's see if I can zoom in on... Oh, no, I can't. It's too dark. I don't know if you guys can hear that, though, right now. I was wondering what all those sirens was for.
They just flashed their lights on us.
It doesn't matter. Oh, yeah. Here comes some more cops. Or no, it's not. Oh, okay.
Here comes somebody walking.
Actually, maybe that's... Oh, yeah, there we go. There's a searchlight. Yep.
They're looking for somebody. Maybe they're looking like us. Looking like us.
Can I use your phone to call my mom real quick? Tell me to let her know what's going on.
I'm sure she knows now. There's no way to get out of that.
I bet you our apartments are blocked off too. They're gonna block them.
No, they aren't.
Can I call my mom real quick?
Hold on, I need to call my kids first.
Oh, okay. Tell them to lock the door.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Because they could block off our apartments anytime. We heard the sirens. We ran down here to see what was going on.
I'll call you guys. Yeah, they hit the guy in his car over there.
Did they?
Yeah, and he got away.
Oh, he did.
And they drove down here this way, and they must have locked the front door over there. Yeah, there's somebody in there searching for something. So make sure the back door is closed and locked the front door. What happened?
I was at that liquor store down there, all the way by the Knolls, and and they came with their lights on. A car.
And then
What did he say?
So yeah, well we gotta go actually because they're telling everybody to go.
Yeah, get up on the roof.
You go up on the roof, and if he sees you, just go. Okay. Yeah, but you know they're searching cars and different things. They're not even they're not letting anybody go anywhere. They're letting them out, but
They're just being dramatic, telling those people to get inside.
yeah. I mean,
Simi, they gotta be over dramatic.
oh yeah. Well, see, they're mainly searching toward that area. It was because apparently, from what I heard, a woman said that she ditched her car.
If he tells me it's an armed suspect, then I'll go.
Yeah. But, you know, like I said, though, there was a woman right here that originally told us that apparently started off Cooner, and they were actually in one. We were...
Did she say something